Good evening, distinguished guests. I am Akansha Sharma, the Company Secretary of Titan Securities Ltd. I cordially welcome all attendees to the 32nd Annual General Meeting of the company, conducted today via video conferencing and other audio-video modes in compliance with the directives of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Securities and Exchange Board of India. This live stream meeting utilizes WebEx to facilitate interactive communication. The registered office of the company serves as the deemed venue for this annual general meeting. Before proceeding further, I would like to highlight several key points to outline the process for participating in this meeting via video conferencing. For this meeting, the physical presence of shareholders is not required, so attendance slips and proxy forms have not been sent to shareholders. The presence of shareholders to establish quorum shall be ascertained through video conferencing or other audio-video methods in accordance with Section 103 of Companies Act 2013. For the inspection of documents and registers required to be made available during the AGM, members are advised to send a request to the company at titan.securities@yahoo.com. Subsequently, the requested documents and registers will be accessible with prescribed requirements. The opportunity to participate in this annual general meeting is extended to shareholders from their respective locations via video conferencing on a first-come, first-served basis. All meeting participants are automatically muted by the host to prevent disruptions caused by background noise, ensuring a productive and uninterrupted meeting. For any technical support related to the annual general meeting, members may contact the helpline number provided in the AGM notice. Upon the commencement of question and answer session, the host will sequentially announce the names of shareholders who have enrolled to speak. The host or their representative will unmute both the audio and video for each registered speaker. Prior to speaking, shareholders are urged to activate their video and audio by clicking on the corresponding icons displayed on the screen. In the event a shareholder encounters any difficulty joining via video, they may opt for the audio mode. To ensure clear audibility, speakers are advised to utilize earphones, minimize background noise, disconnect other devices from the Wi-Fi, close additional applications, and ensure adequate lighting for an optimal video experience. Should a connectivity issue persist with a speaker shareholder, the subsequent speaker will be invited to participate. Once the connectivity concern is resolved, the shareholder speaker will be given another opportunity to address the meeting after the remaining registered speakers have concluded. Shareholders are kindly requested to limit their remarks, questions, or clarifications to a concise 3-minute duration to allow all registered speakers an equitable opportunity to contribute. Members are requested to refer to the instructions provided in the notice or on the video conference page for seamless participation in the video conference session. During the video conference, members have the opportunity to share their opinion or ask questions by utilizing the chat box feature on their screens. It is important to understand that the company retains the authority to restrict the number of members posing questions based on the time availability during the annual general meeting. This approach ensures a smooth and efficient flow of discussions while also accommodating the time constraints of the meeting. The company has facilitated electronic voting for all the resolutions outlined in the notice. Members who have not yet cast their votes electronically and are present at the meeting will have the chance to do so during the meeting or within 15 minutes after scheduled commencement, utilizing the e-voting system offered by CDSL. Subsequently, the scrutinizer will furnish a report on both e-voting and voting conducted during the AGM, with the results of the ordinary and special business being promptly announced upon receipt of scrutinizer's report. Moving on to the introduction segment, I kindly request the directors, the auditor, the representative of statutory auditor, and scrutinizer present through video conference to introduce themselves. I request Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla to introduce himself.
Good evening, esteemed guests. I am Naresh Kumar Singla, the director of the company, joining this annual general meeting virtually from office in New Delhi. I would like to extend a heartfelt welcome to all of you. Thank you.
I request Mr. Suresh Chand Singla to please introduce himself.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Suresh Singla, Director of the Titan Securities Ltd. I have proposed the name of Naresh Kumar Singla as the chairman of this board meeting.
I request Mr. Saurabh Shashwat to please introduce himself.
Good evening, esteemed attendees. I am Saurav Shashwat, serving as the chairman of the board as well as the chairman of the audit committee and stakeholders committee of the board of directors. I am joining this AGM from my residence in New Delhi. I suggest that Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla sir preside over this meeting, and I trust that all of you are in good health and staying safe. Please take care.
Allow me to introduce Mr. Ajay Radhesham Bansal on his behalf. He holds the esteemed position of director within our company and serves as the chairperson of the Nomination and Nomination Committee of Board of Directors, participating in this annual general meeting from his residence in Mumbai. Mr. Bansal's leadership and expertise are instrumental in guiding our organization towards continued success. At this juncture, I kindly request Mr. Bansal to indicate whether he wishes to nominate Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla as the chairman of the meeting. Sir, please indicate if you wish to nominate Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla as the chairman of the meeting. Sir, please raise your hand if you wish to nominate Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla as the chairman of the meeting.
I do.
Okay, sir, your confirmation and decision are greatly appreciated, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable contribution. I kindly request Ms. Shreya Kamal Dhanuka to please introduce herself.
Good evening, esteemed attendees. I am Shreya Kamal Dhanuka, serving as the director of the board. I am joining this AGM from my residence in Mumbai. I suggest that Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla sir preside over this meeting. I trust that all of you are in good health and staying safe. Please take care.
We are having with us a representative of a statutory auditor firm attending this annual general meeting from office in New Delhi. I request Mr. Pankaj Gupta to please introduce himself.
Good evening, everybody. I, Pankaj Gupta, practicing company secretary, scrutinizer of this annual general meeting and attending from Delhi.
With the permission of present members and recommendation of directors, Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla has been nominated to serve as the chairman of this meeting. He will preside over the proceedings and lead the discussion. At this moment, I am formally requesting Mr. Naresh Kumar Singla, director and chairman of this meeting, to call the meeting to order and deliver his opening remarks to the attendees.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 32nd annual general meeting of our company. I hope all of you and your loved ones are staying safe and healthy. Thank you for your sparing your precious time to join us today. I encourage active participation from all attendees to ensure that we have a fruitful and productive meeting today. Let us work together to address any concerns, make informed decisions, and contribute towards the continued success and growth of Titan Securities Limited. As the requisite quorum is present, 32nd annual general meeting of your company is now called to order. I would like to place on record that all the efforts feasible within the prevailing circumstances have been made by the company to facilitate the participation of shareholders in the annual general meeting for the purpose of voting on the agenda items. In the event of any unforeseen technological challenges, the company will promptly update the necessary procedure on its official website. For the benefit of shareholders, additionally, a recording of the AGM will be made available for viewing on the company's website post the conclusion of the meeting. Trust is the cornerstone of solid relationship, and maintaining transparency with our employees and esteemed investors has been paramount. The report on corporate governance for the financial year 2023-24 is included in the annual report, emphasizing our focus on transparency and accountability. Non-banking financial companies play a pivotal role in directing limited financial resources towards the capital formation. The increased demand for non-banking financial companies stems from the growth across diverse industrial sectors and the substantial capital needs therein. Your company complements the banking sector in addressing the escalating financial requirements of the corporate sphere. It plays a pivotal role in fostering the growth and advancement of various economic sectors within our nation. Throughout the fiscal year 2024, your company has demonstrated commendable performance. Further insights into the company's achievements are explained in the annual report. I trust you have had the opportunity to review the annual report. Therefore, I shall take them as read. As a notice convening the 32nd annual general meeting and the annual report for the financial year 23-24 have been duly dispatched to the company's shareholders. I presume they have been reviewed. Notably, the statutory auditor's report for the financial year 23-24 don't contain any qualification, observations, or comments. Referring to the secretarial audit report, your company has complied with all requirements of the LODR regulations as well as other regulations and guidelines prescribed by the Securities and Exchange Board of India for the financial year ended on 31st March 2024, except for some delayed submissions in investors' complaint under Regulation 13, Sub-Regulation 3 of SEBI LODR Regulations 2015 for the quarter ended December 31st, 23 with the Bombay Stock Exchange. The fine of rupees 4,720, including GST, was imposed by the stock exchange, which has been promptly paid by the company. The board members took the cognizance of the fine levied by the exchange in the meeting held on 15th March 2024 and stated that more care should be taken while undertaking compliances. The board further advised the management to ensure timely compliance going forward. Given the AGM is scheduled to be held, to be conducted via video conference, and all resolutions outlined in the annual general meeting notice have already undergone remote e-voting, there will be no need for the formal proposing and seconding of resolutions during the meeting. Now I invite each speaker to share their thoughts and contributions. Your perspectives are incredibly important to us as we move forward together towards a successful year ahead. I would like to request the host of the meeting to allow the speaker one by one to address their remarks. Thank you.
I request Mr. Sachin Singhal, our first registered speaker, to share his views. Mr. Sachin Singhal, please unmute yourself and speak. I request our second registered speaker.
सचिन सिंगल नोट प्रेजेंट मैडम, एक बार आप भी चेक कर लें क्योंकि फिर शेयर होल्डर कहता है कि हम प्रेजेंट थे, हमारा वो नहीं हुआ है। आप अटेंडेंस लिस्ट में देखिए मिस्टर सचिन सिंगल प्रेजेंट नहीं है।
Okay, sir. I request Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain to share his views. Mr. Ajay Kumar Jain, please unmute yourself and speak.
अजय जी प्लीज अपना आपको अनम्यूट कीजिए।
नमस्कार चेयरमैन सर, मैं दिल्ली से।
यस यस सर, थोड़ा सा लाउडली बोलें प्लीज।
आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है आपकी। अपनी वीडियो भी ऑन कर सकते हैं, आप अपनी वीडियो भी ऑन कर सकते हैं।
नहीं नहीं सर, ऑडियो ही सही है सर। नमस्कार चेयरमैन सर।
ठीक है।
हाँ नमस्कार चेयरमैन साहब, मैं दिल्ली से अजय कुमार जैन, कंपनी का शेयर होल्डर बोल रहा था। और आज के सत्र का समापन आप जैसे अध्यक्ष की चेयरमैन स्पीच सुनने का मेन उद्देश्य था। जो आपने हमें बैलेंस शीट भेजी थी उसमें जो आपने कंपनी के बारे में बताया था, फाइनेंशियल और प्रोजेक्शन, उसमें बिल्कुल स्पष्ट और क्लियर था। और आप जैसी पर्सनैलिटी ने जो काम करके दिखाया है आपकी टीम ने और आपके नेतृत्व ने, तो उसके बाद लगभग कोई प्रश्न नहीं पूछना बनता है। और एक छोटे सा एक क्वायरी है सर, मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ, आई वुड लाइक टू नो हाउ मच ग्रोथ you accept in next few years and what kind of margin do we accept on a sustainable basis। एक छोटा सा प्रश्न है और आज सभा में आप जो भी प्रस्ताव लेके आए हैं उनका मैं अनुमोदना करता हूं। और सर एक छोटा सा भी है, जो हमारी कंपनी एनबीएफसी में है, तो क्या हम उसको आम आदमी के लिए जो लोन फैसिलिटीज या उनके जो होते हैं, क्या उनमें भी कुछ आगे बढ़ने का प्रयास करिए, क्योंकि एक हमारा ग्रुप है, बहुत प्रतिष्ठित ग्रुप है। यदि इस पर कुछ हो तो उससे बताया जाए। और इसके अलावा मैं सीएस मैम के लिए भी कहना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने आपके दिशा निर्देश के अनुसार हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा जोड़ा है और हम इस कारण आपसे जुड़ पाए। और एक बात और कहना चाहता हूँ सर आपके लिए, जिंदगी के सफर में सवालों के सिलसिले तो बहुत होंगे, लेकिन आपने जो एक दिशा पकड़ी है उस मंजिल से कभी आप ना भटके, क्योंकि आपका नेतृत्व कुशलता और बहुत अच्छी है। और सर मैं होस्ट के लिए भी कहना चाहता हूँ, सिग्नल क्वालिटी, वॉइस क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी आ रही है, लगता है आपके सामने बैठे हैं। आने वाला समय भगवान आपको दीर्घायु और स्वस्थ रखे और आप एक अच्छा नेतृत्व के साथ साथ एक अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस जब अगली एजीएम में मिले तो हमें आपकी तरफ से मिले। इसी आशा और विश्वास के साथ नमस्कार, जय हिंद।
Thank you, Ajay sir, for your views. I request Mr. Jasmeet Singh to share his views. Mr. Jasmeet Singh, please unmute yourself and speak. Mr. Jasmeet Singh. I request Mr.
होल्ड करें, जसमीत सिंह को मैं वो बना रहा हूँ, पैनलिस्ट बना।
Okay, sure. I'm holding.
जसमीत जी अपने आपको अनम्यूट कीजिए आप। जसमीत जी, मिस्टर जसमीत सिंह, मैंने आपको पैनलिस्ट में डाला है, आप अपने आपको अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज। आपको आवाज आ रही है, आपने अनम्यूट कर लिया है, आप बोलिए प्लीज। मैडम शायद वहां से आवाज नहीं आ पा रही इनकी आपके पास। मैंने पैनलिस्ट भी बनाया है उनको, लेकिन आवाज नहीं आ रही, तो नेक्स्ट होल्डर बोल सकते हैं आप, ठीक है।
Okay, sir. Thank you. I request Ms. Charanjeet Kaur Dang to share his views. Ms. Charanjeet Kaur, please unmute yourself and speak. Are we having Ms. Charanjeet Kaur
मैडम
with us?
मैडम मैडम को होल्ड कीजिए, चिरंजीत कोड प्रेजेंट है मैडम।
Okay, okay, okay.
अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए चिरंजीत जी। मैडम है, ये पहले भी मीटिंग में आए थे।
Hello.
बोलिए मैडम। हाँ जी, आवाज आ रही है आपकी, प्लीज।
Sir, am I audible?
यस यस प्लीज।
Yeah. Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, just one thing I need to know. What is the roadmap of our company for the coming years?
Your queries will be later on answered by the chairman, sir. There is no other registered speaker, so we can proceed further. Over to Naresh, sir. Naresh, sir, please unmute yourself.
नरेश जी अनम्यूट है, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही लेकिन। नरेश जी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी।
Sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, your voice is still not audible. Sir, बहुत slow आ रही है. Voice is very slow.
आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Now it's clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, you can
आवाज नहीं आ रही,
continue.
प्लीज।
Okay, now you're getting on the voice?
सर प्लीज बोलिए सर, आवाज आ रही है आपकी।
Yeah. Please, yeah. Company's
नहीं आ रही
strategic
सर, आवाज नहीं आ रही।
investments- You're getting my voice? Hello?
सर बीच में आपकी आवाज स्टार्टिंग में आती है, फिर बंद हो जाती है।
Hello?
जी
It's
सर
clear?
बोलिए प्लीज।
Sir, you are audible now.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you are audible now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The company's strategic investments in the biotech and agriculture sectors have proven to be profitable, with the significant gains anticipated in the coming years. The diversified investments portfolio includes listed equity shares and unlisted equity shares and mutual funds, which have all contributed to the overall success of the company. The market value of investments has appreciated well, reflecting the company's sound investment decisions. In the financial year 2023-24, the company achieved a profit before tax of rupees 138.26 lakhs, with a total revenue from business amounting to rupees 739.58 lakhs. These strong financial results indicate the company's solid performance and effectiveness in capitalizing on investment opportunities. The future outlook. Looking ahead, the future outlook for the company remains promising. With the continued growth and innovation, the biotech and agriculture sectors, the company is well positioned to capitalize on emerging trends and generate further returns on its investments. The company's proactive approach to reviewing and optimizing its investment portfolio ensures that it remains competitive and agile in the dynamic market environment. The company is strategically looking to expand its investment portfolio in the thriving agriculture, fertilizers, pesticides, and nutrition industries. These sectors have exhibited strong growth in the past and are poised for continued success in the future. By investing in these sectors, the company aims to capitalize on the promising opportunities and potential for higher returns. In addition to direct investments, the company is considering diversifying its investment portfolio by exploring opportunities in reputable mutual funds. This strategic move will not only provide the company with broader exposure to various market sectors, but also offer portfolio diversification benefits, reducing the overall risk. Overall, the company's proactive approach to investing in sectors with strong growth potential, coupled with a prudent diversification strategy through mutual funds, is a sound investment strategy that positions the company for success in the years ahead. The emphasis on gaining high returns with less risk aligns well with the company's mission and set a clear path for sustained growth and shareholders' value. By ensuring that the company's values are embedded in our daily operations, we are not only setting the foundations for long-term growth, but also fostering a culture of accountability and alignment among our employees. This shared vision will be pivotal in driving progress and achieving our goals over the course of the year. I am confident that with the collective effort and commitment from all team members, we will see our vision in action and continue to make meaningful strides towards success. In a strategic move to enhance operational stability and prepare for future growth, the Board of Directors have opted not to recommend a dividend for the financial year 23-24. This decision signifies a conscious effort to channel resources towards fortifying the company's operation and ensuring a solid foundation for upcoming opportunities and expansion. On behalf of the company and the Board of Directors, I extend my sincere appreciation to various government regulatory authorities, company investors, bankers, and all other constituents for providing their valuable support. Having a team of hardworking and determined employees forms the foundation of our success. The shared passion and relentless work ethic of our team members create a culture of excellence and productivity within our organization. It is through their collective efforts and unwavering resolve that we are able to overcome challenges, innovate, and achieve success. On behalf of the board and on my own behalf, I offer my sincere thanks to them for honoring our work with their commitment to service. I'm thankful to all our esteemed shareholders for the confidence and the faith reposed by them in the board and the management team. Your trust and support has given us the confidence to push ourselves past challenges and the complexities and to deliver the market leading results and consistent value for all of you. We are committed to uphold your trust by being transparent in the communications, maintaining good corporate governance practices, and delivering on the promises as we look forward to your continued future support as well. On behalf of the shareholders and the management, I am grateful to our fellow board members on the board and particularly the distinguished independent directors in providing valuable guidance and counsel to the company. Your wealth of experience and insights play a crucial role in shaping the strategic direction and decision-making process of the organization. Above all, my lifetime would not be enough to express sufficient gratitude to the divine for the countless blessings and grace bestowed upon us. Kindly be advised that e-voting window will remain accessible for an additional 15 minutes to allow shareholders who have not yet voted to do so. The consolidated outcomes of both remote e-voting and e-voting during the annual general meeting, along with the Secretariat's report, will be communicated to Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, where the company shares are listed, and subsequently published on the company's website within 48 hours following the meeting closure. I kindly request the host to deactivate the e-voting window at the end of the 15 minutes extension, marking the conclusion of this annual general meeting. Please allow me to conclude the address with this inspiring quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. So in essence, your attitude can be a powerful tool in shaping your experiences and determining your success in the face of adversity. With this, I extend my best wishes for a bright and prosperous future ahead. Thank you so much.
It is indeed a privilege for me to offer the vote of thanks on behalf of Titan Securities Limited. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chairman for gracing us with his presence and delivering an inspiring address. We are truly privileged to have your remarkable leadership guiding us. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to all the board members, representative of the statutory auditor firm, scrutinizer, and all the members for their active participation in this annual general meeting. A special thank you goes out to the organizers of this event, the CDSL, and the dedicated team of our registrar and share transfer agent for their exceptional services and support throughout. With your kind permission, I and other board members would like to leave this meeting. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thank you once again for your valuable time and contributions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.